I've just done the chimney. Didn't film it, but what I did was what I did for the chimney was I just put this pipe down into the hole, and then I set it up on this the same thing that I used for the arch, so it would hold it in place. And pretty much what I did was I built up the first I used the coarser pumice and built up a layer of that. Took this out. I cut a thing down there and taped it up, and then just squeezed it out. I actually cracked the first layer just from doing it too early. Wasn't properly dried or whatever, and then yeah, but it turned out alright. Just did it by hand. What you can do is you can put a bigger container, a bigger like tube around it if you want to get it perfect, but I couldn't find one around here, so yeah, and that's pretty much it. I think I just hopefully that finer stuff will be alright for the crack. I mean, it's only the chimney, so it doesn't really matter, I guess, but the next thing is the base, and I think I'm going to order some fire bricks today for that. $25 for 12. Shipping costs about $25 as well because they're so heavy, but they're about 27 centimeters long, so should be enough. I think about 12 wide. I think I'll put them like lengthways across here, and if I don't have enough, I'll just make some bricks out of like pumice and cement just to fill in the gaps. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So pretty much done really. Just got to get fire bricks, and don't know if I'll stand them on this board. Probably put some sand in between, just so that they you know, so it doesn't catch fire, I guess. And don't know what I'll do with the sand. I'll probably go to the beach or something. Can buy it, but it kind of seems weird buying sand. Not the best looking one in the world, but hopefully it'll do the trick. But yeah, cheers for watching.